As we have discussed before, there are two different types of dryer connections. Prior to 1996, the norm was a 3-prong connection, but as of 1996, a 4-prong connection became standard. So let's say you live in an older home with a 3-prong dryer outlet, but have recently purchased a new dryer with a 4-prong plug. You have purchased one of our adapters with the grounding pin. How does that work? It's pretty simple. You can plug the grounding pin on the green 5-foot cable into any regular household outlet near your dryer, or into a regular household extension cord. If a household outlet is unavailable, you can ground your dryer using a heavy-duty metal clamp. Just clamp the grounding pin to a nearby metal pipe. You can also use an adjustable galvanized hose clamp to attach the grounding pin to a nearby metal pipe. Use a flathead screwdriver or nut driver to tighten the clamp over the pin. You can also replace the pin with a 12 to 10 gauge ring terminal. With a self-drilling metal screw, you can attach the ring terminal to part of your home's metal frame. Just like that, your dryer connection is grounded. If you have any more questions about grounding your dryer, please reach out to us through a phone call, text, or email. Like, comment, subscribe to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.